Alright, welcome back to Kenny Fix It. So I just confirmed with an awesome neighbor that Lilo's getting walked. And confirmed with the boss over the PJR that I can take the work truck home. And I'm in tomorrow between 4:30 and 5 a.m. So I am allowed to eat today. I'm going to eat something today. Finally. So I didn't call my buddy, the owner, but here I am. We're at Richardson's. Yes, Richardson's. The best place ever. Thank you. Yeah, this place has really good chicken wings, and we gotta see if they got any amazing patties today. Check this out. Subscribers, y'all love it. 7th generation produce farmer here in Baltimore County. Check those out. Man, they look good. Those are some nice melons. Not just you. But these melons. He must have went down to Eastern Shore recently. Oh, Wes. I know he went and got some nice melons. Ow. Not going to show those melons. Whoa. Let's see what the special is today. Here's the specials. Loaded cream broccoli, beans and brisket. I think we found what we're looking for. Spinach gnocchi. Loaded cheesesteak ham pie. You had me at hello. Loaded cheesesteak ham. Spinach gnocchi carbonara. Brisket on casa. Oh yeah, we're just gonna get it all. We're just gonna get it off. Well, let's just accept it. We're gonna get it off. Just kidding. Dale like, compre, suscríbete para el canal. Comprar mis cena esta noche. Hambre ahorita. Ciao. Welcome back to Kenny Fix It. Yes, he can. Well, hello, gorgeous. Thank you. These are the best employees ever. Wes, you did a great job with that one right there. She's a good girl. Dale like.